Hello and welcome to this week's Veg Hack. As part of our No Time to Waste campaign, I'm going to show you a really great recipe to use the whole broccoli or any leftover cooked that you've got in the fridge. So I've got a bowl of cooked broccoli that's left over that I'm going to turn into a really nice creamy pasta sauce. If you haven't got any broccoli left over, then just floret it up, make sure you use the whole stalk and then steam it until it's nice and soft. So to start the recipe, we're just going to put some olive oil into a pan with a bit of garlic, and while that's warming through, we're just going to roughly chop up the broccoli into smaller pieces and then add it into the pan. We're going to cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add in some of our veg stock. So after 5-10 minutes or so, the broccoli's broken down really nicely into sort of a thick, creamy sauce consistency. And at this stage, we're just going to add in a large handful of chopped rosemary, thyme. You can add in parsley or chervil and a load of black pepper. Now the sauce is ready, I'm just going to add in our cooked pasta and a little splash of some of the pasta water, which the starch in it just helps bring the sauce together and make it that creamy to bind around the pasta. I'm just going to add in a little spoon of miso just to give it a bit of depth into the sauce, but you could add in anchovies or capers that do the same sort of thing, and then just a really generous amount of Parmesan or Italian hard cheese. That will help thicken the sauce, and then just the zest of a lemon to give it a bit of freshness. And that's the broccoli and pasta sauce. So I'm just going to sprinkle over a little bit of chopped chili and a little bit more Parmesan, and that is it. So it's really nice and light, there's a little hit from the chili, and it's really easy to make, and it's a great way to get broccoli into a meal for someone that doesn't particularly like it. Thanks very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it and give it a go at home. If there's anything else you want to see us cook, talk about or prepare, then leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more weekly veg hacks.